Now we will remove the different capacitors. See, these are the capacitors. If there is a problem in the sorting, we have to remove each capacitors and then check the continuity. So these are the capacitors which we will remove. We are applying the paste on the capacitor whatever we want to remove. If we want to remove all the capacitors, if we cannot find the sorting, then we have to remove all the capacitors and see the sorting. If we remove the capacitors and sorting has been found, then that component has a problem. So we will remove. See, we are using these BGA machines, attending the temperature, and then we will give the heat to particular components. You can see the components is heating, going on slowly. We give a heating. We put one by one capacitors, step by step. That's one row. Okay, we have removed all those capacitors. Then we will check the capacitors, if all the capacitors is okay or not. If there is a sorting in the CPU section, then we have to remove these capacitors at a time. Then we have to check on the pad if the sorting has been removed or not. If again it is showing the sorting, see, you can see the sorting is there. The sorting has not been removed. See the beep, it shows the sort. Again the CPU section hasn't sort. We can means that pad has a problem. The component, all the component is okay. There is not a single component is sorting. If we cannot find the sorting in these capacitors, then we have to check other components. All the capacitors are okay. These are the ceramic capacitors. Now we have to insert these capacitors again. How we are inserting, that we will show you. We are giving a heating and air flow as an equivalent. We are giving one by one, inserting a capacitor one by one. We cannot give a more heat also and more air also, otherwise the another components will be blow out. Now we can align the component as a straight. We just put a step by step, we will make a component as a straight way, because we are fitting at a time all those components, so it will be up down also. Okay, now this is okay, this has been done. Now we will put the BGA machine different. We keep cool the area, then we will check all the components, it is removing or not. Components, they see all the components are okay, they all are fitted. Okay, this is okay. This is a CPU ceramic capacitors, that is a bypass filtering the signals via VCC code. This is a CPU section. These videos is for the training purpose of Intersoft Institute, chip level training. This is an only electronics SMD components removing and inserting demo. A laptop online training. We are giving a laptop online training. For that we are keeping these videos. Thank you.